Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you monthly horoscope for 2020. This particular monthly forecast has no relevance with Western astrology or sun prediction because my whole predictions are based on your moon sign. My whole predictions are based on Vedic Indian astrology. On today's video, here are the reminder of what I'll be discussing on your monthly horoscope, the monthly forecast. I'll be talking about your health. I'll be talking about your education. I'll be discussing about your romantic life, your relationship life. I'll be informing you regarding your career, job or profession, as well as your monthly conclusion. To skip to a particular part of this video, I have placed timestamps for each of these subjects in this video description below. So here are the monthly forecast for all of you, and please don't forget afterward to like this video, subscribe and click that bell to get the notification of your latest weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope plus your major 4 transit planetary horoscopes. Here are my channels. To have the full version of this video, which include the transit, all the transits, your tasks, your precautions, the chanting for this month, please do visit our website prakashastrologer.com. Pisces monthly conclusion, July 2020. In this coming month, July 2020, if you have any opponents, you will dominate over them. Income is increased and events are auspicious in your life. Favors may come through government. You may get some professional elevation. Physically, you will feel comfortable. You will dominate over your opponents. Health will be good. Family life, sometimes beware of any kind of illness in the family. There is a professional elevation and excessive earnings. Change of residence is possible. There will be harmony with your nearest to dearest one. You will have domestic harmony. Superior may do the favor to you. You may acquire land, vehicle, and your family will be very supportive toward you. And wealth may be lost, or it might possible that you may change your employment. And those in authority may be source of trouble for you if you're not very careful. If you're dealing with higher authorities, legal matters, tax, VAT, be careful. Your undertaking will often go through a lot of challenges, and you may make changes in your, either change of place in your residence or change of place in your business. Association and with professional friends will be profitable. You'll also associate with a lot of professional people. But your undertaking with the help of professional friends will meet with success and money will be gained. You'll be inclined to take journey. In your domestic life, there will be harmony. Your health will be good. There may be suffering in the family due to health issues. And refrain from any kind of disputes in the family. There may be pain in the stomach, and may I say that you have to handle few government related matter or court related matter or legal issues. And may I say that, and if there's any illness in the family, you have to sort it out. And sometimes there are a lot of mental anguish, and there may be loss of money if you're not very careful. Beware of cheat, deception and fraud, and you'll go through a lot of mental anguish. You may have a tendency to get excited very easily, and look after your partner's health. And there will be excessive expenditure, and you have to plan your expenditure, but favors come from professional people will offer you favors. In this month of July, there will be gain of property, or gain of car, or gain of some sort of a gain is there. Recovery from health issues, gain of wealth, acquisition of comfort. In this month of July, and you'll improve your health. There's no doubt about it. If you are an artist, creative artist, there will be rise in fame, name, establishment. Auspicious celebration will take place at home. And may I say that money will be spent on luxuries, lifestyle. There will be big victory in arguments and gain from officials. There will be destruction of old enemies and gain of honor and birth of new projects and ventures. But you have to be very much focused and driven. There will be a rise in strength, grace of authority, and may I say that higher authorities will help you in accomplishing your task. There will be a success in your various kind of ventures. Person of opposing you will be defeated. All the efforts will gain to wealth, assets rising. But if you want to create a change of place regarding residence or workplace, think very thoroughly. The month of July, an auspicious work will be accomplished. Success will be achieved in establishing, materializing your plans, acquisition of knowledge, ability and skill set. And success and promotion will be achieved. And best friends will be cooperative and support will be there. Most of your wishes will be fulfilled and expectation will be accomplished. But in this coming month, July 2020, with the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out yourself. There are few challenges. I'm not saying that there are few situations where you need help. You must sort out your moon, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. Moon, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. For the prevention of any kind of professional losses or financial losses or bad debts or lack of flow of income or family issues or health issues or legal problems. With the help of task precaution chanting, you must sort out your planets for the best, which you can have it from the full report. Go to the website prakashastrologer.com and get the full monthly report, monthly horoscope report from the horoscope section, monthly horoscope report, and get the full report, full analysis of the whole month, plus all the support given regarding task precaution chanting, and apply those informations for your own benefit. Pisces task of the month. Do you wear a gold and silver square piece in a silver chain around your neck? Do you donate 8 kg rice to temple and the langar every Monday? Do you throw 4 kg dry whole coconuts in the deepest lake for 4 Wednesday? Do you keep honey in a silver box? Do you wear a brass gagar with river water or mineral water and cover its mouth with fresh coconut? Place the gagar in a northwest direction in the house and try to feed barley to birds, 4 kg barley to birds every Wednesday. Pisces precaution of the month. Refrain from consuming any form of out of control behavior, temper, living conflict, argument. Refrain from buying any electronic goods, rewiring, pipe work, everything. Pisces chanting of the month. Aum, Karim, 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 Hum, 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 Harim, 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 Dakshine Kalike, Dakshine Kalike, Dakshine Kalike, Harim, 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 Hum, 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 Karim, 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 Swaha. More you do it, more you achieve it. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.